people think of pet training and automatically think of dogs and all the tricks they can do. Well, cats can do tricks too, and HMS student Megan McMullen has taken advantage of her time at home to further the training of her cats. Megan first started by training her cats to sit, and once they got that down, they worked on shake, which they have done for about a year and a half. Recently, she has added up and give me 5 to their library of tricks. The cats are both 4 years old and usually have a training session with treats once a day. Megan would like to teach them to target, but the cats seem to bite anything on a stick. Megan is a 6th grader at HMS and plans on being a zoologist in the future. Thanks for sharing, Megan.
Today is a holiday. You might not know it, but every day is a holiday. Yes, these holidays might not be as big as Christmas, but they still deserve to be celebrated. Today is National Buttermilk Biscuit Day. Prior to the American Civil War, biscuits emerged by cooks as a cheap addition to meals. While being made, the dough was beaten and folded to incorporate air, which expanded while baking, causing the biscuit to rise. The biscuit soon became popular as the people realized the hardness of the biscuit compared to a slice of bread worked better to wipe up gravy on their plates, creating the well-known meal biscuits and gravy. Happy National Buttermilk Biscuit Day!
This is Mrs. Pinch, and I'm going to give a shout out to one of my 6th grade social studies students, Remy. Remy had a distance learning assignment, and he was looking at a bunch of data for males and females in different age groups, and he had to come up with a conclusion on why women in older age groups live longer than men do. And the reason he gave was vaccines, good health care, taking care of yourself. So that was his reason, his first reason why women outlive men. And then he didn't have to give 2 reasons, but he sent this picture as his second reason. And as you can see, we have a group of men throwing either a couch or a mattress from the 2nd floor to the 1st floor, and we have 2 men standing below waiting to catch it. And that was Remy's second reason on why women outlive men in older age groups, which I thought was just very funny, very hilarious. So I wanted to give Remy a shout out for that very funny answer that he sent my way. Thanks, Remy. It was great.
Hello there, this is Mrs. Hubbard, and I wanted to give a shout out to Piper, Bella, and Layla for all of their help with the Friday screencasts. They're always first to volunteer to help me out, whether it's with birthdays or finding positive stories and news. So I really appreciate it, and I hope that you will submit your stories and news and videos, no matter what they are or how silly you think it is, to help with our screencast. Thanks.
Pet of the Week. Dixie Lynn is a 3-month-old German Shorthair Pointer. Her favorite things include cuddles, playing with her friend Remy, spending time with family members, and playing outside. Some tricks she can do is jumping, spinning, and playing catch.
This is Lila, and she turned 1 on April 6th. She is a Min Pin Terrier. She loves running and hates being alone. She loves to jump as high as she can until you give her attention.
This week's birthdays. Today, Ava and Jacob. Saturday, Jason. Sunday, Nathan. Monday, Delilah and Lena. Tuesday, Eliza, Chloe, Jack, Joseph, Lily, Lincoln, and Montez. Wednesday, Madison. And Thursday, Joseph. Happy birthday!